Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing another unboxing video, and today we'll be doing a Scentbox unboxing video. I am so excited to be doing this video. I know it's been a while, but hey, I'm trying my best to do some videos. So don't put some videos out maybe during summertime. So let's get started. So the reason why I subscribe and start the subscription services with Scentbox is because I'm gonna try like different scents just to see what I like from what I don't like. And also I didn't want to purchase a full-size product of perfume to be trying out different scents on this journey where I'm trying to figure out my scents category I like, you know, things that I like and what I don't like. And also the reason why I choose Scentbox over Scentbird is because they give you an atomizer, a cool, pretty atomizer every month. It's basically the same price, so it's like, no, I'm looking at the better deal. And to be honest, I just wasn't interested. The plan I got is the premium box, which includes 2 scents each month. And my bill date is be the 30th, normally the 30th, and the shipping date is always be the 7th of each month. So I got 2 scents, and the premium. I didn't choose the regular basic package because I didn't want to try like more higher brands, and you know, so I wasn't interested in the basic package. The 2 cents I got each month, I pay in like $34.95 per month, which isn't bad at all, but 2 cents are higher luxury brand products, so I didn't mind paying that because to be honest, I've been working enough overtime that I could do these things and splurge a bit. Okay, you work hard, you treat yourself, and that's what I started to do in my 30s. I'm tired of working hard and not treating myself. The first month you receive this box, and after every month you just get the atomizers and stuff like that in little smaller boxes. But yeah, I guess it's a storage box or something like that, but you can keep these things. And you pick one. So this one right here, this bad boy right here, and this is Gentle Fluidity Gold. You know, I couldn't do it, and I only get this because of the premium package. Gentle Fluidity Gold is in the premium package, so why not try it out, okay? Because you know how much it costs? That bottle costs, or Gentle Fluidity Gold full size. Oh my god, expensive. Gentle Fluidity is unisex. It's from Mason Francis Kirkdejan, I think. I mess up his name. Hey, I know. Sorry. No, 2 identities. The challenge is to create 2 signature their perfumes using the same ingredients: juniper berries, nutmeg, coriander, musk, amberwood, and vanilla to express their full potential. The Gentle Fluidity Duo was imagined by the perfumer to sketch 2 distinctive olfactive stilettos for him and her in a gentle blurring of identities. You'll find essence of coriander seeds and an extra dose of musk and vanilla. Like the musk, the coriander seeds' spicy floral notes add a breezy volume and lasting trail. The vanilla accord brings tasty and reassuring back notes, underscored by the amber wood. It sketches a bright and radiant stiletto. Gentle Fluidity Gold Eau de Parfum diffuses comfortable notes and reassuring musky oriental scents. Gentle Fluidity Gold by Mason Francis Kirkdejan is a amber vanilla fragrance for women and men. Gentle Fluidity Gold was launched in 2019. The nose behind fragrance is Francis Kirkdejan. Whatever. I'm not messing up the name, but yeah, it's okay. So this basically how it looks. Pretty nice. And you just use this and twist to get it up, and then you could just do this. Come full size. A lot of good much product in it. I mean, I feel like they robbed me a bit. They should have folded up to the top. I feel like I got robbed, but anyhow, it's good. And you put it back in, and yeah, and then when you're ready, when you're done with it, you just screw it back and like this, and you're done. So let me try it on, you know, see how it smells on me. I'll put it on my hand, wrist. It's different. It smells really, really good. I like it. Scent is Cloud by Ariana Grande. So let me give you all the scent notes for Cloud. Ariana Grande is a floral, fruity, gourmand fragrance for women. This is a new fragrance. Cloud was launched in 2018. The nose behind this fragrance is Clement Gavory. Top notes are bergamot, pear, and lavender. I love pear. I really like lavender too. Middle notes are coconut. I love coconut. Whipped cream. I love whipped cream. Praline. I like that too. And vanilla orchid. I love vanilla. Any vanilla I like. Okay? Anything. I have a ton of vanilla scents currently right now. That's how much I love vanilla and coconut. Love it to pieces. Base notes are woody notes, which I love, and musk. I love wood notes and musk. Give me some musky, woody. I love it, okay? That's my saying. So let's try Cloud. I'm gonna put it on my wrist. A lot has come out of this. Like rub it in. Nah, I love Cloud. Nah, I would like to have a full size bottle of Cloud. I say Cloud is a dupe to Baccarat Rouge 540. That's the reason why I got Cloud, because I say before I get the Baccarat Rouge 540, let me try Cloud and the other dupes to see if I really like it. And if Cloud is actually really a close dupe to Baccarat Rouge 540, then I think I can purchase Baccarat Rouge 540 blind purchase and order it and bring it over, ship it over to the Bahamas. But oh my god, I like it. I love that. I love that better than Gentle Fluidity Duo. I really do. Next month is there will be like free scents what I got because I used a referral code, someone's referral code on YouTube, and I used their referral code and they received 2 free scents, and then I received 2 free scents, but I don't get it in the first month. I had to pay it out of my pocket in the first month, but the second month I'm receiving my free scents. So that should be already shipped and everything. So I can't wait to try those 2 free scents and do another video on those. But since we're talking about free scents, so if you use my referral code down below, in the link down below, you will get 2 free scents and I will get 2 free scents, or you will get 1 free scent, depends on which subscription services you choose. So use the referral link down below to get your free scents. You won't get it in the first month, but it's the first time and you subscribe to you know, subscribe to the subscription service, but you will get it in the second month. And it's legit. It surely is legit because my 2 free scents are on its way right now, currently right now, and I'm so excited to receive those. Thanks for watching, cupcakes, and see you all again to my next video. Bye.